Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 14 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. I will have the playlist linked below, and today I'm using the same stencils that I used in my pillowcase video to share with you guys a two-sided sign, and this is perfect for you guys if you are like me and you like to change up your colors for Christmas each year. This wall art can work no matter which color scheme you decide to go with. So for those of you who are new, I do like to share budget-friendly home decor and home improvement projects on my channel. Sometimes I also share thrift flips, hauls, and shop with me videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, it would mean so much to me if you guys would consider subscribing. If you like this video, I have plenty more for you guys to watch. And again, like I mentioned, this is a part of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. So I've got all kinds of Christmas themed videos in that playlist, and that will be linked below. So I'm using these stencils that a company sent me a little while back, and I'll have the link to these stencils in my description box if you're interested in getting them. This isn't sponsored or anything, but they are listed for about $10 and you get a lot of stencils in the pack, so I think it's well worth the price, and it's a really good deal if you're like me and you don't have a Cricut. This is a great way to customize signs or pillowcases or basically anything that you want, and it's customizable because you can basically make it whatever color you want. And that's part of the reason why I wanted to make this a two-sided sign, because when it comes to Christmas, every year I like to change up my decor a little bit and use different color schemes. And so I wanted to do one side in my current color scheme, which is like a gold and white and natural colors, and then on the other side I did traditional colors. Now, these are the same stencils that I used for my pillowcase video, which is also a part of this playlist for 25 days of Christmas, and the same thing kind of happened to me there where a couple of the letters bled, and that's mainly because I had too much paint on my brush, or because I went over it too many times. So just make sure that when you are doing this, that you don't have too much paint on your brush when you're stippling, and that you don't go over anything more than one time, because that will cause bleeding and you may not be able to fix it. But I was able to fix mine with just going over around it in white with a very fine-tooth brush. Here's one final look at the finished signs. If you guys like this video, please leave me a like. Let me know in the comment which side of this sign was your favorite, and let me know if you guys were to recreate these signs, which colors would you have used. Also, please consider subscribing. Again, on this channel I do budget-friendly home decor and home improvement projects. I also like doing thrift flips, hauls, and shop with me videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then it would mean so much to me if you guys would consider subscribing. Also, please check out the rest of this playlist for my 25 days of Christmas. And I am wishing you guys a happy holiday.